Watch merge sort run line by line. We start with 8 values, 7, 2, 9, 1, 6, 4, 8, and 3. Merge sort works by splitting the array first. The full array is split into two halves. The left half contains 7, 2, 9, and 1. The right half contains 6, 4, 8, and 3. Each half is split again. Merge sort keeps dividing the problem until every small group has only one value. Now the array is broken into single values. A single value is already sorted, so the merge phase can begin. First, merge 7 and 2. 2 is smaller, so it comes first. Then 7 is appended after it. Next, merge 9 and 1. 1 is smaller, so it is chosen first. 9 is the leftover value, and it is appended next. Now the two sorted pairs are merged. Compare the front values. Always choose the smaller one, and build a sorted group. The same process happens on the right side. First merge 6 with 4, then merge 8 with 3. The right side now has two sorted pairs. Merge them by comparing the front values and choosing the smaller value each time. Now we have two sorted halves. The final merge compares both halves from left to right and creates the complete sorted array. Each choice adds one more value to the final array, from smallest to largest. The final result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Merge sort means split, sort, then merge.